After being destroyed by Typhoon Ursula, the hanging bridges in two barangays in Magsaysay, Occidental Mindoro are back. OkSi Governor Eduardo Gadiano led the opening of the bridges, making sure they are sturdy and strong. Gadiano attended the blessing of Tadloc Hanging Bridge in Barangay Alibog and Caguray Hanging Bridge in Barangay Caguray, Magsaysay. Joining the governor in the inauguration were board member Bing Barrera Fajardo, former board member Sugar Villarosa and Candy Villarosa. Also present were barangay captains, kagawads, and sangguniang kabataan officials.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.